Good day, I'm Diego Santiago and my chosen topic is identifying fake news. First, what is fake news? Fake news is widely defined, but according to many, we are defining fake news as those news stories that are false. The story itself is fabricated with no variable facts, sources, or quotes. What are the fake news in the Philippines? Here in the Philippines, fake news is one of the most dangerous diseases that Filipinos are battling right now amid the COVID-19 pandemic. It is spreading uncontrollably, and if an individual is not analytical and careful enough to identify whether an information is a fact or fake, it might lead them to dangerous situations such as creating and forming ideas that is not even true. So, it is important that we know how we can identify every information we see in social media such as Twitter, Facebook, and etc. Here are the types of false information. There are different opinions when it comes to identifying types of false information. However, when it comes to evaluating content online, there are various types of false or misleading news. We need to be aware of these includes number 1, clickbait. There are stories that are deliberately fabricated to gain more website visitors and increase advertising revenue for a website. Clickbait stories use sensationalist headlines to grab attention and drive click-throughs to the publisher website, normally at the expense of truth or accuracy. Number 2, propaganda. Stories that are created to deliberately mislead audiences and promote a biased point of view or particular political cause or agenda. Number 3, satire or parody. Lots of websites and social media accounts publish fake news stories for entertainment and parody. Number 4, misleading headings. Stories that are not completely false can be distorted using misleading or sensationalist headlines. These types of news can spread quickly on social media sites where only headlines and small snippets of the full article are displayed on audience news feeds. Number 5, bias, slanted news. Many people are drawn to news or stories that confirm their own beliefs or biases, and fake news can prey on these biases. Social media news feeds tend to display news and articles that they think we will like based on our personalized research. Identifying fake news. Number 1. Checking the source of information. In every post, it is important to know where it came from. It can be personal account, business account, dummy account, or etc. And who is the one who published it? Many people, especially Filipino, loves to troll for fun and entertainment. Number 2. Analyze the content. When reading information online, you don't just read the first line and believe everything it says. You must read the whole content and analyze it if it's making sense. Number 3. Check other sources. If there are reliable media outlets who also publish the same story with facts, then it might be a fake news. If there is none, then it is a fake news. Number 4, check the facts. It is very important that before you believe in something, you must check its evidence and basis first so you can assure it is true and not just trolling. Reminder: fake news is unstoppable because it is everywhere. It will be continuously used for personal or political gains. Living in a country where it has a high rate of internet or social media use, it is very necessary that we are aware and being critical of everything that we see on the internet world. Like they always say, think before you click. And once again, I'm Diego Santiago, and that's all. Thank you.